you were mine.
What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and keyword research and how you can go and find out the relevant keyword which is actually getting searched by most of the people on the internet. So I'm not going to mention like Google or YouTube or anything else because it's about the internet, what people search on the internet, which is basically Google, Bing and so on and so forth. All you know is there are too many of them, Yahoo and so on. So many search terms are there inside an internet. So I'm going to go and provide you that how you can go and find out which keyword is proper and how many people are looking forward for that. So is it relevant to add that keyword if you are going to go and get a search inside the internet. So let's get started and let me teach you how I can do that. So let me just go and move to the moz.com. so I'll add the link in the description, so it will directly lead you to this website which is on the proper page of keyword search. What people are searching for in today's date is a game which is more popular, that is Fortnite and PUBG. So I also use PUBG and I really love playing PUBG, so I use it on mobile phone. So if you want to know, if you want to add me, you can go and do that as well. I'm going to go and type PUBG and that's about it. I'm going to hit on enter. So what this keyword research is going to do is going to find out the suggestion video which is going to be relevant to add it or not. So it is going to be based on search volume that you need to go and put like a little bit or more. So I'll keep it at 0 and maximum at 1.5 million, and it is going to be researched that what keyword is been added and which is going to be helpful. So it just gives you the suggestion that what people actually search for. So according to me, I'll add 1, 2, 3, but I'm not going to make a video about Xbox. I'm not going to talk about Xbox or particular topic, so why should I mention the tag over there? If I am playing a PUBG mobile, I need to go and put PUBG PC download, but there you see so many of them are searching for PUBG PC download and there are not so many of the people. It's just 100 to 200 people are searching for that, whereas PUBG downloads are being searched more than 1.7 thousand times. So it's better to add PUBG downloads keyword to get more ranking inside a search. So next comes is PUBG PC is searched more and lot of the times, and there you see the relevancy of that is also very high. So as you scroll down, all of the keyword which is relevant is getting 5 dots. That means most of the people are looking for and it is relevant to your search term. Here you go, and there is 4 of the dots and there you see 6 dots are there. So it is relevant or not. Data inside a storage that you have to show it to your boss or something like that, you can do that as well. So all you have to do is export to CSV and just open up Microsoft Excel, and here you will get PUBG, and PUBG is relevant or not, minimum search and maximum search. So it's just format that how many people are getting. So it just gives 30 result to that. You can go and edit more of them, but 30 is enough for a single search term. So there you see less people are there, and there you see how many people are been searching. So according to the search term, that minimum and maximum volume, you can choose it very nicely that this keyword is going to help you to get more views. And there you see only 11 to 50 search, and that's a very bad keyword which is going to be used by your video or your website or your blog or whatever you do on the internet. So looking forward for that, what kind of a keyword you need to go and research is getting more of the people. That the 11 and 50 PUBG mobile download, it's a very bad keyword, so you never need to go and use this kind of a keyword. So always look forward for high ranking keyword which is going to be appear in the search term and people are actually searching for. So that's about it. You just understand that how does it work, whereas I just do is copy, control C copy and just paste it over there because nobody is my boss. So if there is a boss, you need to have an Excel sheet and just show them that this keyword has maximum volume of search and minimum volume of search. So I just prefer for adding this keyword inside our blog website or whatever you use. So that's about it, and let me know in the comment section below that I'm using a new microphone. So how does it sound? So if it sounds good, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you in the next one.